The conjugations. The conjugations.
Passive voice, past continuous, positive sentences. I was being called. நான் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தேன். You were being called. நீ அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தாய். He was being called. அவன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தான். She was being called. அவள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தாள். It was being called. அது அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தது. We were being called. நாங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தோம். You were being called. நீங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தீர்கள். They were being called. அவர்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தார்கள். Passive voice, past continuous, negative sentences. I was not being called. நான் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை. You were not being called. நீ அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை. He was not being called. அவன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை. She was not being called. அவள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை. It was not being called. அது அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை. We were not being called. நாங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை. You were not being called. நீங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை. They were not being called. அவர்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை. Passive voice, past continuous, positive questions. Was I being called? நான் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தேனா? Were you being called? நீ அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தாயா? Was he being called? அவன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தானா? Was she being called? அவள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தாளா? Was it being called? அது அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததா? Were we being called? நாங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தோமா? Were you being called? நீங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தீர்களா? Were they being called? அவர்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தார்களா? Passive voice, past continuous, negative questions. Was I not being called? நான் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Were you not being called? நீ அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Was he not being called? அவன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Was she not being called? அவள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Was it not being called? அது அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Were we not being called? நாங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Were you not being called? நீங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Were they not being called? அவர்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Passive voice, past continuous, using question words, positive. Why was I being called? நான் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தேன்? Why were you being called? நீ ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தாய்? Why was he being called? அவன் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தான்? Why were we being called? நாங்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தோம்? Why were you being called? நீங்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தீர்கள்? Why were they being called? அவர்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்தார்கள்? Passive voice, past continuous, using question words, negative. Why was I not being called? நான் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why were you not being called? நீ ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why was he not being called? அவன் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why was she not being called? அவள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why was it not being called? அது ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why were we not being called? நாங்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why were you not being called? நீங்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why were they not being called? அவர்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருந்ததில்லை? Questions plus corresponding answers. Why was I being invited? You were being invited to attend the function. Why were you being invited? I was being invited to attend the function. Why was he being invited? He was being invited to attend the function. Why was he being invited? She was being invited to attend the function. Why was it being invited? It was being invited to attend the function. Why were we being invited? You were being invited to attend the function. Why were you being invited? We were being invited to attend the function. Why were they being invited? They were being invited to attend the function. Questions plus positive and negative answers. Past continuous tense. Was I being called? Yes, you were being called. No, you were not being called. Were you being called? Yes, I was being called. No, I was not being called. Was he being called? Yes, he was being called. No, he was not being called. Was she being called? Yes, she was being called. No, she was not being called. Was it being called? Yes, it was being called. No, it was not being called. Were we being called?
Yes, you were being called. No, you were not being called.
Were you being called?
Yes, we were being called. No, we were not being called.
Were they being called?
Yes, they were being called. No, they were not being called. Example sentences.
I was being loved by you. You were being loved by me. He was being loved by her. She was being loved by him. It was being loved by all. We were being loved by you. You were being loved by us. They were being loved by everybody.
Positive sentences with negative tag. I was being invited, wasn't I? You were being invited, weren't you? He was being invited, wasn't he? She was being invited, wasn't she? It was being invited, wasn't it? We were being invited, weren't we? You were being invited, weren't you? They were being invited, weren't they?